So we're gonna dye my hair today, okay? Just show you what my hair looks like. Right here is a little bit lighter than, oh, shit, my bad. Then this side, it's really golden, orangey underneath, as you can tell. Okay. So we already know I tried to dye my hair purple, okay? That was a fail. Tried to dye my hair purple, was a fail. And then now I was like, shit, this orange shit, I thought the purple would help, you know, dye and tone maybe my hair. It didn't really do that. I mean, it kind of toned, didn't really dye. So I was like, shit, what's the opposite of orange? It's blue. So I was like, you know what? Hold on. Here we have shark blue. We have two of these. What I was going to do at first was, oh gosh, my kids are playing video games. Okay, so what we have here is shark blue. What I was going to do is mix the shark blue with the quarter of this with this, and then add the rest of the 75% of this that's remaining with this, and use these for my lower ends that are lighter, and then down here with this for the topper ends, you know, so they're kind of like an ombre, you know, like a bluish, grayish ombre. But I found out that, well, the titanium actually fades out to like a green, like a swampy green. And I was like, you know what? I don't want my hair, my ends to look like a swampy green, or they look like a bluish green from the from this. But I was thinking that if I had the purple, it won't really look so bluish green. I mean, it won't look so swampy green because the purple will be in there to help, you know, cancel out the greenish tones, whatever the fuck. But I'm like, I don't think that will work. So what I'm going to do is, what I decided to do is, I'm going to mix these two with a quarter of this. And we're just going to leave this out because I figure if I add this to this mixture, like a quarter of this will turn my batch of dye a darker color. I don't want this to be like a darker tone. I want it to stay like a light, vibrant. Well, it's not really going to be light, but you know, lighter than what this will make it. This will make it more like of a darker, dark. I don't want it to be dark. So we're going to just go with these. I'm going to dye my hair and show you guys what happened. Okay, let me just show you guys. I added that purple in and then I had to scoop it out. See that white stuff? That's the purple. Dude, I got permanent purple dye. Thought it was semi-permanent. And I just want to show you guys. See the two different tones in the color of the shark blue? This one right here is more dark, and then this right here is more lighter. Look at that. You see that? I was like, am I tripping? No, I'm not. Holy cow. Just wanted you guys know. Just want to show you guys. I want to show you guys my new hair. This is my new hair. Obviously. First of all, what I want to say is that I did not have enough to do my hair, okay? I had 2 bottles of the shark blue, which I thought was going to be enough for my hair, and it wasn't enough for my hair. This is a very bad angle, but anyways, it wasn't enough for my hair, so I'm at a red light. So what my hair is looking like right now, it's kind of like, it's a lot of patches, okay? If you guys could see, like a golden patch here, like it's kind of patchy, you know, but I mean, like, okay, like when I slapped the dye onto my golden bits, right? I slapped it on there, and I tried to go like this to rub it in, and as soon as I touched my finger on the hair, like moved it, like where did hair dye go? Where did it go? So I get more hair dye and try to rub it in there. And it's like, I'm getting more hair dye because it looks like it's not enough. It looks like it's kind of patchy. But then I try to fill in the patches with the hair dye. It's like, where did the hair dye go? It just disappears. And I still see more patches of my hair. And I'm like, what the fuck? So I try to marinate my hair with the hair dye, which is very hard to do. You know, I have hard trouble with other colors that I've done with Ion. But this color, for some reason, it just would not marinate into my fucking hair. And I was like, what the fuck? Am I the only one? No, you're not, because a lot of people that, you know, have used Ion said the same thing. I was like, fuck, dude. But my hair actually looks really damn nice. It looks really good in person than it does on camera. The parts that I dyed blue, like the parts that I dyed blue, where it was more like the orange color. The orange color it does look nice, okay? It did tone out the orange bits. It didn't make it lighter. It made it more like of a grayish looking color. I can't explain, you have to see it in person. It's like a grayish looking color, and it fades into the shark blue. Sorry. Well, the sun's going down, and my hair looks a lot better in person. I swear, you guys, it does look better in person than it does in this camera. It's more like a grayish looking color, and it goes into the shark blue. And when I finish dyeing my hair with the shark blue, I'll upload that video and show you guys what it looks like. But for the meantime, for the time being, this is what my hair, I dyed this like the half of my head on front, and like I left out like a little like quarter piece right here. But hope this video helps someone out. Toodles, peace out, and happy trails.